Want to free up your Android phone from cache? Here's how to do that. So there are a couple of methods of doing this. Let's start with the, so to say, built-in one. Let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down to our apps section. There we are. And in our app section, simply choose an application which you want to be clean. For example, Chrome. Now we gotta tap on our storage. Now press clear cache, and there you are. The hash has been cleaned, and that's how it works. So do that manually one by one. However, there is an easier and a faster variant, which lies in the usage of third-party apps. So let's open up our Play Store, and then press search. Now we gotta search for some type of cache cleaning application. There are many ones such as SS Cleaner, SD-Made, even Files by Google has this option, but I'm gonna go with SD-Made this time. So let's open it up. SD-Made, let's press install, and let's give it some time to be installed. After that, press open. So there you are. Now we gotta press scan. Let's give all the necessary permissions. Allow, next, allow, next, allow. Once again, give the necessary permission, press next. Once again, allow, locate your SD-Made here. Now go back, press done. Now give it some time to scan and filter out all the sorts of cache in your device. All right, so now let's tap on the system cleaner. This is our cache. This empties our directories, which are cache basically. Press delete, and once again with the apps. So you need a pro version of this application, but it can delete all the indexes. It can analyze and delete all the unused apps which you have on your phone as well. And basically that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.